There is no worse kind of people than those who steal from their people during an attack on their country. How do you know Ukraine is in Kharkiv region? Because the tying to the poles has started. This is done by Ukrainian military. And there will be more and more. These two accused of stealing flour.
Как я, сука? Ваня, а тебя как? Роман, блядь. Вонючие мародеры, сука, нелюди ебаные.
Кофе нету, блядь.
Чтобы страна знала, блядь, своих героев, понимаешь? Гандон вонючий. Люди, блядь, умирают здесь, нахуй, а вы, блядь, нажали, блядь.
New original footage from Izium. Only Russian wreckages. A Ukrainian soldier destroying a "We Are with Russia, One People" poster in the newly liberated zone.
Хорошо.
Video of paratroopers from Ukraine's 80th Air Assault Brigade with Bushmaster MRAPs in Kharkiv Oblast.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.